Do you know there are some in the communities? We have in our community morning at 6 o'clock yoga classes are going to be happen. 6 to 7 yoga classes are 6 to 6:30 or 7. We are staying in the 9th floor. The yoga classes are happening in the ground floor. There is a separate place is there. Basketball court is there. In that basketball court, they are going to use for yoga because at early morning 6:30, no one is coming to play basketball. They are going to laugh. Okay, like that laugh sound will come to 9th floor then. Because that's also an exercise in yoga, it seems. The people who are coming.
That's called Hasyasanam, sir.
Hasyasanam.
Yeah.
Laughing therapy.
Yeah, laughing therapy. Laughing therapy. Okay, because all the people are going to laugh loudly. That sound is going to come. Every day I'm listening that sound. Every day. You know, laugh, smile, that much powerful. A smile makes you lighter. A smile makes you tension free. Forget about opposite person. A smile makes you tension free. A smile makes you happy, positive energy. Your lifetime is going to be increases. So BP, sugar, heart attack, paralysis, all these nonsense nearby also won't come. Remember that.
బట్ ఎప్పుడు అంత స్మైల్ రావాలంటే మెచ్యూరిటీ కూడా ఉండాలి సార్. అది ఇన్సైడ్ ఐ మీన్ అంత దాన్ని ఏమంటారు హానెస్ట్ అండ్ ప్లెజెంట్ స్మైల్ కావాలంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి మెచ్యూర్ ఎనఫ్ టు హ్యావ్ దట్.
Yes. Mature enough means this much maturity is more enough, right? For our students.
Yeah. I'm talking in general public.
Yeah. So, if you are not going to smile, you are going to die. You are going to die early. That thing is enough, right? Mahesh. Generally, okay. Generally acceptable. Anyway, for our students' sake, this maturity is by default enough, right?
Yeah, I mean to say they should know like
the importance.
Okay, negative. Yeah, important maybe. Yeah.
Yes.
That's the correct word.
Yes.